we're looking at a $35 DIY 3D printed kit from Imperial Forge that claims to offer premium quality on a budget. Best of all, the video is sponsored by Imperial Forge, and they're actually giving us a direct link to this exact kit in the description below. But is it actually worth your time? And how easy is it to assemble? Let's find out. Right out of the box, the first thing that stands out is the finish. These pieces are printed with a beautiful silky texture. If you've ever built a 3D printed prop, you know the absolute nightmare of spending hours sanding down print lines. With this kit, Imperial Forge did the heavy lifting. It requires little prep or sanding before you're ready for final assembly. Who do you think wields the Westar 35 better, Bo-Katan or Sabine? Drop your vote in the comments right now. I'm curious to see what you think. Putting this together is an absolute breeze. The diagram provided by Imperial Forge is incredibly easy to follow. With just a little medium bond adhesive, the whole thing comes together in no time. In fact, the tolerances and fit on these pieces are so precise that you honestly don't need to glue some of the parts. They just lock right into place. That being said, no kit is perfect, and I do have one minor quip. The barrel comes printed in two separate pieces. If Imperial Forge printed this as a single unit or even included a small 3D printed rod to help link the two together, this would make aligning the front end just a little bit easier. It's the smallest detail, but something to keep in mind during your build. Speaking of the front end, this kit includes two interchangeable options, a screen-accurate black tip and a fluorescent orange safety tip. Personally, I went with the orange safety tip. I know a lot of cosplay groups push for 100% accurate builds, but given how incredibly realistic this print looks from a distance, it's always smarter to err on the side of caution. I was raised with the mindset that firearm safety is essential no matter what. If you're building this for cosplay or for one of your younglings, I highly recommend using the orange tip and using this build as a perfect opportunity to remind them to never point a blaster, gun, even a toy, at anyone. Now, when my son and I were sitting down to assemble this, we actually ran into a small hiccup. Our kit was missing the trigger piece, but this actually gave us a chance to test out their customer service. I reached out to Imperial Forge. They were incredibly responsive, and they shipped out the missing piece immediately. That's the kind of quality customer service and accountability you get when you support small shops. Coming in at just $35 with free shipping, this Westar 35 kit is an absolute steal. It's an affordable, impressive, and incredibly fun DIY project that will instantly bring your Mandalorian cosplay to life without breaking the bank. If you want to grab one for your own build, head down to the description and check out the link to Imperial Forge's eBay shop. Don't forget to hit the like button if this review was helpful, subscribe for more prop builds and cosplay reviews, and we'll see you in the next video. This is the way.